Reconditioned PCB for Graviner Mk6 oil mist detector. For testing, the board is installed to a spare oil mist detector unit, and then we connect a spare oil mist detector head. After supplying the 24-volt DC power supply, the unit performs a successful lamp test. We then test the PCB by testing the detector head. By lifting the detector head, we change the luminosity of the sensor, and the alarm is triggered as shown on the head's indicator lights, as well as the oil mist detector screen and lights. It is now clear that the PCB is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.